Hello family, today we'll be making some banana pancake which you can have for breakfast or for brunch. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using 2 bananas, very ripe bananas for this recipe. You need very ripe banana because you want the banana to be very soft. And I'm just going to mash this banana with my fork. You can also use a potato masher for this recipe if you want to, or you can blend it, but there is no point blending because there is no lumps on the pancake. So after mashing my bananas, I went ahead to add half cup of all-purpose flour to my bowl, and then add about a half cup of milk also to it. Mix all together, and then add in your mashed banana. Make sure you mix all together, and after that you just go ahead and add in your egg. So you can add more eggs if you want to, but for me 1 egg is okay for the quantity of the pancake I am making. So the consistency was too thick, so I went ahead to add in a little bit more of milk. You can also do the consistency according to your preference. So after that, I just added just a little bit of butter to my pan, and then add in your pancake, and then you fry, and you can see it's super easy and quick to do. And here my pancakes are ready, and you can go ahead and serve this for your breakfast, for your brunch, or even you can have it for lunch if you don't feel to eat anything very heavy for lunch, or even for dinner. If you don't feel to eat heavy thing for dinner, you can also have your banana pancake. It's super easy and very delicious. And I just went ahead to add in just a little bit of syrup to it. You can also sprinkle some sugar if you don't want the syrup. It all depends on you, and you can enjoy with your extra fruits. You can have this, or you can serve it with your hot chocolate, with tea, with some hot milk, or some hot coffee. It all depends on you. I enjoyed mine with this amazing fruit. Go ahead and use any fruit of your choice for this recipe. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Please do not forget to follow this channel or this page. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.